Parliament of the Republic of Uganda yesterday, the 17th of October 2024, engaged into a serious discussion over the issue of Ugandans who have gone abroad to look for opportunities, career opportunities, but they get stuck suffering in criminal allegations, human rights abuse, and the rest. In Acholi land, we have a pending issue of Onek, who was a player of Acholi province, who has been detained in India over drug abuses, drug possession or drug allegation, and the updates are mute. The family stopped the people from practicing advocacy, and everything is mute. So the parliament got engaged discussing related issues, but then Acholi MPs did not come up to put their issue, like maybe suggesting trial in the country or any other form of negotiation. No Acholi MP was involved. The rest of our MPs were involved talking about their people. So you can watch what happened yesterday.
We go out and rescue our fellow citizens. I don't think that our inaction is just because one of those is not our son or daughter or, or a cousin. I don't want to believe that, because we have a leadership of this house that supports the Ugandan people, number one. The ministers are here. We didn't come here to talk. We came here to make an impact. And Madam Speaker, that's the reason why I raised it yesterday, and I'm very sorry I have to raise it tonight, because when I retire from here again, sometime in the evening, I'm gonna get and say, what did government say? These are people I don't know. The names already known, the countries where they are also known. Madam Speaker, as people's representatives, I think we have to prioritize this item. Much appreciated, Madam Speaker. You have no right to order me. All right, appreciate it, Madam Speaker.
Honorable Member, but it has content. It has content. I hope government has you've gotten what he has said. By the Minister of Youth. We are talking about these youth who have gone out there in the Arab country and they are working there, and some of them are distressed either because of work or whichever, and our numbers have been given out to most of them. So at the end of the day, we get calls. Somebody is either very sick, somebody has been in prison, somebody has been with a lot of problems. So he's asking, what is government doing about this? That which country?
Madam Speaker, appreciate it, Madam Speaker. I refer the Prime Minister to our national newspapers, specifically Bukede and Monitor.
Which country,
and No
where they have been calling you? Which country?
There are 5, Madam Speaker. So far as I saw, there could be more than those. But those that I was able to pick, Madam
Which
Speaker.
ones are those?
Number 1, Jordan. 2, Iran. And then 2, Iraq. Number 3, Saudi Arabia. And number 4, Abu Dhabi. And number 5, UAE. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Honourable members.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker.
Let's just get the issue out.
Yes, but Madam Speaker, Rule 72 of our rules.
I would like to thank Honorable Atkins. What you have raised is quite important. The calls don't only come to you, but even they go to the Speaker. So what we are doing as government now, my colleague Minister, Honorable Esther Nyakun, she traveled to Saudi Arabia. We are trying to negotiate with these countries where these people are, in support with IMO, to ensure that those who can be pardoned to return home we return them home.
ILO. ILO.
IMO, International Organization of Migration. International Organization of Migration.
IMO.
Not ILO. IMO.
IMO.
IOM.
IOM.
Very good. Clap for yourself. Okay. So that is it. So Atkins, we shall handle that, and I believe, Honorable, that will be addressed. We shall work on it.
Thank you. Honorable Member.
Yes, Madam Speaker. These companies must establish contacts in these countries where these people work, such that where there is a problem, the companies will be able to help and also coordinate with their relatives. So I just wanted to know whether this was done, because that was what we resolved here in this house.
Yes, Honorable.
Madam Speaker, the country is Lebanon, not Poland. Lebanon.